In today's video, as you can see from the title, I'm not going over one, I'm not showing you just two, but I'm going to be showing you guys 3 ways that you can get dispatchers for your box truck or even your cargo van business. Now you may be watching this video and you're new to the industry and you're just wondering where to get loads from. How do you actually pick up these freight, guys? Or you've either already started your business and you're still stuck on where to get your loads from. So it's 2 ways you can go about this. You can go get a dispatcher or you can get a load board, guys. And if you're new to this industry, a dispatcher will definitely help you get loads the most easiest way as possible. They're gonna do all the work for you and even fill out all of your carrier packets. They will find your load and give you the best load options and send you wherever you want to go throughout the country, and you don't even have to accept all of the loads that they give you, so it's no forced dispatch. Now you may be asking me, why should I get a dispatcher? Why do I need to pay a dispatcher a 10% load fee? Well guys, every time you want to book a load, you're gonna have to contact the brokers and you're gonna have to negotiate and bid on these loads and try to win the bid between a lot of other dispatchers or even independent carriers. So this process can be very stressful, especially if you're over the road, you're already driving and you're trying to look for your next load, because you have to actively be on the load board, looking at the broker's numbers, calling the broker, emailing the broker, trying to get the load, negotiating on the load back and forth, filling out all your information on your carrier packets, every load you want to get. And the main thing is that it's not even guaranteed that you're gonna get the first load that you bid on. You might have to bid on 3 or even 5 loads before you get your first load. So a dispatcher takes all the stress off your back, and now let me get right into how to find a dispatcher and how to find the right dispatcher for you. Let's get it. Stay tuned for more after the intro. Woo! So the first way, and one of the most shocking ways to find a dispatcher that you may not ever thought of, would have to be Facebook. Yes, you can find dispatchers on the Facebook marketplace, and also a big tip, you can find independent lanes. You can find dedicated lanes as well. So I'm gonna give you a visual right here, but once you go to the Facebook marketplace, you will go to groups, you will type in box truck owner operator or cargo van owner operator, and a lot of different groups will pop up, guys. And in these groups there might be independent business owners, you know, family business owners that need freight moved every day, or even small stores such as Sherwin-Williams, or you know, like a local bread store in your local area. Now in these Facebook groups, it'll be a lot of interaction, it'll be a lot of conversation. People are going to be posting the loads that they've got recently, how much they've got it for, so you can learn the prices in the market. But like I said, these small stores and some of these mom and pop shops are offering cargo van positions or box truck positions. Like say you have a local furniture store that's owned by a family, man, they might need a cheap box truck driver to do some home deliveries every day, guys, and now you can make it $200, $300 and still be at home. So yes, that's number 1. Facebook marketplace is a good way to go to find dedicated lanes, also to find dispatchers, because new dispatching companies also are posting on Facebook offering jobs for independent carriers. Now the second way, and the best way, guys, would have to be, don't forget to go ahead and check out the links in the description, guys. We do offer coaching calls where I will teach you and make sure you start your business up the easiest way possible, your box truck business, your cargo van business, and even an online business. Also in the Calendly /KINGLATTA link in the description, I do also customize online stores, and we do have an ebook store called the Lotta ebook store in the link in the description. And don't forget to check out the YouTube memberships for exclusive investing content, exclusive trucking content, the easiest way possible for a very cheap price. Back to the video. Woo! And the second way, and the best way, would have to be Indeed and other job sites such as Glassdoor, and you can even go on Craigslist and go to the gig tab. So I don't know too many job sites, because over here this is Black Investors Group, where we make investing easy, and we are investors over here, entrepreneurs, independent owner operators, man. So I don't know too many job sites, but you can obviously go on Indeed and Glassdoor. Those are like the 2 biggest ones, and Indeed has a lot of box truck owner operators, cargo van owner operators throughout the whole nation, guys. And once you get on Indeed, all you will type in is box truck owner operator or cargo van owner operator. Sometimes you can type in medical carrier or truck driver. So if you have a Class B license, meaning that you can drive like a dump truck, guys, you can get a lot of jobs over on Indeed, and you don't even need your own truck, and you can start making up to $80 an hour. Yes, $80 an hour without owning your own truck with working is 7 to 8 hour shift. If you want more information on how to get a Class B license and how they find jobs that require a Class B license and you don't even have to have a truck, comment down below and I will post that video pretty soon. But Indeed is definitely one of the best ways to go because there are a lot of companies hiring for box truck owner operators. Also guys, a lot of dispatchers are on Indeed as well because they need more drivers, they need more carriers to work for their dispatching company so that their dispatching company can make more money. Because like I said, you're paying a 5 to 10% fee for your dispatcher per load. So say you have a load for $1,000, you got a 5% fee guys, you're paying $50 for that load, and boom, your dispatcher just got you everything filled out, man. You carry your packets, you're on your way to the load, and then before you get to the load to pick it up, he already got you a load for tomorrow. So all that stress is off your back. You don't have to stop your truck, look on the load board for 2 hours just to hope to get a load, man. Your dispatcher got you. Go ahead and pay that 5 to 10% fee and get dispatched today. Now before I go into my third way to find a dispatcher, I do want to go over the scams in this dispatching. And I know some of you guys in my coaching calls have asked me, how do I know a scam from not a scam? Again, man, coaching call link in the description where you can talk to me and I'll help you start your business. But the way to figure out if they're a scam or not is pretty much as long as they're professional, guys. So if a dispatcher calls your phone one day, because once you get registered with that FMCSA, guys, a lot of dispatchers, factoring companies, and even fuel card companies are gonna be contacting you. You're probably gonna get 10 calls a day, just saying. So that's why you gotta get that business phone number. And if you haven't started your business up yet, man, go ahead and check out this video right here, how to start up a cargo van or box truck business the easiest way possible. But you're gonna start getting calls, and to figure out if they're a scam or not is just if they're professional. If they send you a carrier packet, if they send you a dispatcher agreement, then another contract on top of that, that means that they're absolutely serious, guys. They're trying to get, you dispatched in this road and trying to make some money, and we're just all trying to make money here. So as long as they're professional, then you have nothing to worry about. But if they're just like, hey man, we need you to drive here to here, then boom, it is a scam, and they're probably trying to get you to take some freight somewhere and not pay you. And last but not least, man, maybe the easiest way to find a dispatcher is obviously go on Google, type in box truck owner operator, or either you can type in dispatching companies. Behind dispatching companies, type in your city or state, even though it doesn't matter because you might be driving all the way to the other side of the country. But once you type in dispatcher companies or box truck owner operator, cargo van owner operator, a bunch of listings will pop up, and you can see dispatching companies that have posted ads about their services. So if they're paying for the ad, they're legit, man. And pretty much it doesn't really matter the dispatcher, it's just trial and error. As long as you try out a dispatcher, guys, and they get you a load the first day or the second day, then they're good, man. Keep them under your belt. But if you have a dispatcher and they just went 3-4 days without securing you a load, then go ahead, release that dispatcher. Don't use them no more because they're just wasting your time. They're gonna be calling you, trying to get you, figure out where you're at, or try to get all your information, and boom, they're not getting you any loads. And also guys, you want to make sure that you have around 3, 4, or even 5 dispatchers working for you. Because the beauty about this dispatching service, guys, is that it's a per load fee. So they have to hustle for you, and they only get paid between when they book you a load. So if they don't book you a load, they're not getting paid, and you don't have to pay anything. So you can have 5 people sending you different loads all throughout the day, different options, different rates, and then you can choose what load and what state you want to go to, and only pay one person. And don't worry guys, the dispatcher's not gonna feel any type of way. They go through this all the time. They know that some of these carriers have 2 and 3 dispatchers because one dispatcher is just not reliable enough. Like I said, they might not send you a load for a day, and as an owner operator, we can't not afford to be empty for a day, especially for over the road. We don't want to be in the truck all day doing nothing. Yes guys, Google up dispatcher companies, they will pop up, man, trust me, and everything will be set from there. All you have to do is sign up, fill out the carrier packets, all your information, your DOT, your MC, and everything will be good to go. As long as you have 3 dispatchers, you can be making up to $4,000 a week, even up to $6,000 a week if you are in a box truck in a good area. If you want to know the best areas to travel in the United States and how to make the most money as a box truck owner operator, go ahead and check out, boom, this video right here of the trip when I went to Mexico, and I will tell you and show you and explain to you everything truck drivers go through if you're new to this industry, and how much all the rates were that I got and what states and cities I was in, and pretty much how much I enjoyed going over that week-long trip to make a profit and to make a gross profit of $7,000. But if you guys enjoyed this video, please leave it a big thumbs up, man. Don't forget to check out the links in the description where you can get visual learning ebooks, the easiest way to make money possible for a very, very cheap cost. Also, we do have the YouTube memberships, man. Subscribe to that. You don't want to miss out on any of that exclusive content. No ads, no promo, straight to the point, none of this extra talking, just straight information. And man, please don't forget to schedule a coaching call with me. I'll help you start your business, and I'll help you get started in any questions that you need the easiest way as possible, because this is boom, Black Investors Group, where we do make investing easy. My name is KINGLATTA. Until tomorrow, we out. Woo!